Pinipicturean niya.
Ayan, ano yan? Okay, good morning everyone. The tour will be 1.5 kilometers. It takes 45 minutes. My name is Sunny. We're both captain. I will take care of all of you inside the cave, back and forth. Just sit tight, avoid too much movement, okay? All of you first time here?
No.
Who's the second time, third time? Raise your hands. We have two second time. Actually, it's my first time. Okay, with you, sir. Where from? Saan po?
Pampanga.
Again. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, you can take pictures, you can use flash also inside the cave. And please careful for holding your gun and sometimes you can drop in the water. Please careful, okay? Right now, if you're ready, we're going in. Enjoy, have fun, more fun inside, and see you tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Only one family for church for.
Lamig lang.
Follow the light, I think some of that.
Ayun o, yun. Diba? Ang dami o. Ayun o.
The bats. If you see the bats, hindi bats talaga yan. Kung hindi nyo nakitang gumalaw, low bats.
Loba. So yan o. Anong charger eh. Eh, yun na, lumipad sila. Eh, bulingin mo. Yun, lumipad.
Umubos yung bibig mo, mamaya tumatay sila, makainom kang hihiin.
Baka napakagawa ka dito. Takot ka rin? Dahil yun.
Okay, no extra movement. It's a deep of water here inside the cave. Very deep. We have 27 to 30 feet, 9 meters. Sobrang lalim. Pero kung hindi naniniwala, pwede natin supatin. If you're willing to measure the water, go ahead. Ladies first.
No
Lahat
thanks.
ba kayo marunong lumangoy? Sino kung hindi marunong lumangoy, pakitaas ng kamay. 3, 4, 5. Magsabi ng totoo kasi mamaya, malalaman ko rin yan. Don't worry, if you don't know how to swim, you're wearing life vests. You're safe with me, okay? If you're scared inside the cave, just hold your partner. If you have a partner.
Tapos si Caleb, di
If you look
bumibitaw.
for a partner, just hold yourself, okay?
Aww. Aww. Hold yourself daw, Jing. I do.
Don't worry, it's just a crocodile. Kaya wag nalala, hindi ko na siya makakain.
Malusog. Sila, ano? Ano ko sila, Louis. This is part of the living.
Ang tubig dito ay brackish water, ibig sabihin fresh water po yan. And salt water, combination, mix. Isa yan sa paborito ng
Crocodile.
crocodile. Kung gusto nyo makita yung crocodile, pakiwari na po ang naman sa tubig at yung ngayon yung water, makikita nyo agad yung crocodile. Any volunteer again? Ayaw na naman nila. Okay, don't worry.
Bawal siya. Wala ko.
Okay lang po bang mabagal tayo? Dahan-dahan lang.
Sige lang po.
Para safety ang ating tour, dahan-dahan lang tayo. Para dahan-dahan na rin, maubos ang aking lakas. Lahat po ba kayo kumain na ng breakfast?
Mild.
Kumain na po ba kayo?
Very light.
Kaya pala medyo mabigat. Nakita niyo yung boat natin sa kulang. Lulubog na. Pero kayo mag-alala. Kaya-kaya po yan. Basta, huwag lang kayo hawakan lang po ang mga kalimutan. Hindi kayo makakot. Okay lang po ba magsasalita ako ng konti? Para hindi ako makatulog. Para hindi rin ako mahulog.
Sabi bibig mo, close mo. Thank you. Wow, patient.
The maximum level of water for the water. Mabagal ang boat natin kasi po, ito kayo, walo kayo isa lang ako. You're eight passengers. Okay, kayo magala, makaabot din tayo. Finish na. Okay, just take a look around everyone. Sometimes we have a snake inside the cage. Ano, makita tayo ng ahas na yung ahas. We have two kinds of snake here. We have water snake and fighting snake.
Takot siyang nasa.
Today, if you see a snake, I give you souvenir. You love souvenir? You don't like snake? You're afraid of snake. Don't worry, the snakes that poisonous. They don't bite, okay? They don't bite. They only swallow. Oh my God, laki na sa okay, let's move on. Para di tayo mamutan. Minsan kasi sa basulagan sila, minsan na water. Minsan naman, nakasakay ko sa boat natin. Okay, we're going to look at our device using the current of the water. Right now, we're now against the current. Hindi bumabagal tayo. The water, there's no low tide na po kasi. Low tide na po kasi ang kwento ito. We have a lot of transformation we can see. Hugis ng batong makita tulad ng kuweba. Pero nga, sir, kailangan niyo po palawakin o gamitin ang inyong mga imahinasyon sa loob ng kuweba para makita niyo po yung iba-ibang hugis ng bato. Katulad dito, nakita natin ang hugis ng bato, nakita niyo agad yung mga angulo. Pero habang palapit ang palapit, hindi lang po nagbabago. Nakita niyo ngayon, angulo na. Magulo talaga. Okay, bibigyan ko yun ng halimbawa. Tumingin sa aking harapan ay ilawan po ang hugis ng bato. Yan po ang dinosaur. The head of the T-Rex dinosaur.
The head of...
Dinosaur. Yung isa naman, baby dinosaur. Okay.
Para sa dinosaur. Oo nga, ayun po.
Okay, diretso na po tayo.
ulo mo pa
Sa ating audio device. Okay, follow lang po ako.
Galing yun yung salamin niya, sir. Madilim.
Yan po na ilaw ng Houston Virgin Mary. Mama Mary.
Ayun.
Kailangan ng glasses po ba? Okay, kasi kung makasuot ng glasses po ka-take off mo, kumakaw na kayo nakikita.
Kasi
Okay, diretso na po tayo. Okay, that's it. I'm sorry. We're late a little bit in our device because of the current of the water. Hindi bumabagal po
giant
tayo.
candle.
Alam natin sa bagal siya na yung kanina gano'n po. Anong year po yung last na sir? What year po yun?
2011? 2011 po.
Finally, we're here. This is the highest of the cave. In this area, the cathedral. This is the big room of the church, the holy place, the holy ground. Everyone, welcome to the cathedral. We're going in right now. And everyone, please follow my lights. I gave you rock formation in some. In front of us, I gave you the biggest example of stalagmites. Tinatawag nating giant candle.
Ano to? Giant candle. Giant candle.
Okay, it's better than late than never. We're here at the cathedral. Follow the lights. The next one is the guardian inside the cathedral, the angel. This is the good angel, like me. Next to the angel, a flying horse. The Greek mythology, Pegasus. And follow the lights again. Don't forget the Holy Family. Holy Family, Nativity, Evelyn, and Bethlehem, Sagrada Familia. All of this creation you can see right now, to remember, all natural. No man-made inside the cave. man-made here, only one. The boat we're using because the boat absolutely man. Okay, let's proceed. Let's move on. We're going to the market, fruit and vegetable sections.
Giant classroom.
The shape of rock formation we can see inside the market is look like a fruits and vegetable. Right now, prepare yourself, your gadgets, you take pictures, because I gave you another example. Okay, we're here. The first one is garlic bawang. The next one is cacao fruit, used for making chocolate, coffee, tablea, so forth.
Parang mais.
Corn, popcorn, and sweet corn.
Diba? Sweet corn. Mais.
Let's try another one, the giant mushroom.
Mushroom. Wow. Ang galing. Bawal hawakan.
More people riding the boat. Okay, let's go. Okay, prepare yourself again. Another affirmation example. Look to the right side. Follow the lights. Okay, finally, another affirmations. We have a cucumber, pipino. Yung natabi, 5 kilo of sayote. Cabbage, peche bagyo, the big one. It's a giant peanut. Making peanut butter. The next rock formation which we can see one of the favorite of Filipino like me. Ito po, kaya tawag natin eggplant, talong. Pero mas gusto ko yung katabi. Luto na. Talong. Oh my God, I'm so hungry.
Me too.
Look up, banana heart, banana blossom, puso ng salad.
Ang galing.
And don't forget the fresh carrots. If it's a fresh one, look at the next one. Oh, rotten carrots. Kung nagsawa ka sa puta sa gulay, let's try another one. The chicken breast. Team Joy. Fried chicken. Okay, finish taking pictures. Let's move on. We're going to the highest part of the cave.
Wow. Daming dots.
Just wait, sir, man. Right now, I gave you example of one first. Look to the right side. Follow the line. The chocolate color or brown color, those are examples of guano. Guano is one of the best fertilizer, organic or natural fertilizer. All of them, it's a batch food. Isa pong kain ng mga paniki o bahay. Marami yan dito dahil isa sa mga pinagbabawal kolektahin, kunin o galawin. The government, they want to protect and preserve the underground river. They want to protect for next generation. Actually, we're not allowing to fishing here, swimming, cutting trees, or collecting anything like guano and bird's nest, balin sa sayaw. It's protected area po kasi. Okay, let's move on. We're going to the dark zone. And I gave you a chance to feel the dark inside the cave. Papatayin mo yung lights natin para maramdaman nyo kung gaano kadilim sa loob ng kuwebang ito. Okay, pakihawakan lang po yung mga sarili. Kung may katabi naman, pakikasama nyo na rin yung katabi. Baka mapalitan po. Okay, the light is off. If you look at the light inside the cave, you cannot see anything. You cannot survive. You're blind. You cannot go out. And very, very dark. And sir, ma'am, if you want more darker, just close your eyes, okay? Okay, the light is on, and sad to say, I'm sorry, this is the last part of the tour. Until here, the regular tour only 1.5 kilometers. But here, with the extension of the cave, yes, you can go in that area. Kailangan nyo lang kumuha ng special permit. You need to get another permit first because the tour going in that area almost 3 to 4 hours, 4.3 kilometers. Very, very far. Kailangan nyo kumuha ng special permit para dalawa na yung boat na nakasama nyo. Kasi kung isa lang, baka bukas pa kayo makalakad. Pero kung pipilitin nyo naman ako ngayon, pwede naman. Hindi mo pumasok ngayon. Pwede naman, pero dito lang ako maghintay. I'm just waiting in here. Baka mapagalitan ako, kawawa naman yung
May
boat na.
pumasok na dyan na.
Okay, sad to say, I'm sorry, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Hanggang dito na lang po kasi yung nabayaran ninyo. Okay, next time if you come back, if you visit here again, make sure you have special permit. You can go in 4.3 kilometers. Okay, let's go. We're going back right now. Before we go back, look up. I give you a chance to see the face or here, the highest ceiling first. The highest ceiling and the highest point. 65 meters above the level of water. It's very, very high and we have a lot of droplets here. Don't worry, they're all fresh water and blessing. If you want blessings, just prepare yourselves. Look up right now. Close your eyes and open your mouth. Your blessings might come to you. Your wishes. Just choose the best, okay? We have two kinds of droplets here. If you feel droplets cold, it means fresh water or holy water. But sometimes we accidentally receive the droplets warm and sticky. Oh no. Hindi po yan fresh water. Ihi o tae ng paniki yan. Ingatan niyo po, baka matanggap niyo yan. Kasama po yung sa binayaran niyo. Okay? Right now, I give you the face of Jesus Christ. So all of you, you're Catholic po? Okay, kung hindi naman, don't worry, they're all equal. Here, this is the face of Jesus Christ. Eyes, nose, mouth, being the face of Jesus. This rock formation. Okay, God bless everyone. God bless your family. And more bless to me. Okay, let's move on. We're going back to the Right now, if you want to cross under the rock formation, it's more exciting. And you can take a picture more closer to the rocks. Do you want, sir, ma'am? Okay, if you want, please wear your helmet properly. Baka maugod kayo, babasa na na to. Mas matigas daw ang ulo ng Pilipino. Don't worry, we're safe. Hindi naman earthquake yung lawan. Wala pang nahuluan ng batong yan. Baka ngayon pa lang. Okay, we'll try again. We're crossing under the giant mushroom in front. Okay, finally we're here again at the cathedral. We're going to the church, follow the light. Look at the light one in the upper part. Look straight in the upper part. If you can see the people, they're gathering around one table, they're dining together. That's the Last Supper. There, Last Supper. Yesterday they're 12. Right now, in front of them, they're 11. One is missing. You know where Stone is missing? At the back of the boat, they're paddling right now. How about the giant candle on top? We have Puzzle and Three Kings. Good guys and the three wise men. map of the giant panda Lucas in the statue of Maria. You're watching us? And she's holding the baby right now. There. The Virgin. Makita nyo? Yan po. Malapit na. Malapit na tayong mabangga.
Roman.
No limestone in front. Don't worry, I'm the boat captain. Kung mahala, kayo po kawawa. Right now, we have a beautiful woman here. Gorgeous, especially sexy. If you want to meet the beautiful woman, I see right now, all the lights there. The white confirmation for the lights. That's the beautiful woman. Look at the sexiest body. Look at the shape. Wow, look at the big butt. His name is Sharon Swan. Not Sharon tonight. Okay, let's go.
Galing yung information, no? Nakaka-amaze pa rin.
Good night. See you tomorrow. I hope you make it. Oh, they panic. Don't worry. All of you, sir, man, you're afraid of crocodile. Actually, the truth is we don't have crocodile here. Wala tayong crocodile dito. Kasi kung may buhaya sa mga kway pag ito, tinitour natin ng 45 minutes. Magiging 5 minutes na natin. Makatulong mo kung sa kuwan, sobrang taranta ka lang. Kaya huwag po kayo matakot kung wala akong crocodile dito. Okay?
Si Kuya.
Nahuhulog ako.
Nahulog siya.
Okay, look straight, all of you. You can see the front of the largest ship. This is it. It's the largest ship. Look to the left side corner. We're crossing the front of the Taipan. There.
May sound effects. Jack! Jack! Jack!
Uy, Jack. Jack Junior.
Don't worry, the boat's not sinking. Okay, we're all safe. Okay, let's move on.
Jack is...
Good night. See you tomorrow. That's it, Jack.
Lisa! Hindi na wala.
Right now the water is so high. As you can see the dark underline of the water touching the wall, that's the level of water during that time. Kung yan, dapat o, yung tubig na taas yan. Yung taas na yung taas na sila. Ngayon po, sir, kung siya na po tayo sa mga hapon, ito tayo. Kaya malalim na yung water. Pwede tayo mag-turn dito ng mababa. Siguro, ito taas ang tubig. Pero hindi na ito kailangan sa kami dito. Baha ko na kami kami. Kaya ito ng parang ang water sa loob ng kayo. So, lakas, kaya cancel dito kami. Sa mga pagkalit mo naman, mas malaki ang araw, cancel dito. Hindi natin ito yung pagkawin at makabalik. Sa boat man naman, kami sa loob dito, bawal din kami pumasok sa loob ng kuya para sa oras na alas 12. Bawal na bawal. Alam mo kung bakit bawal? Lunch break na po. Namin kumain kasi gutom na po kawawa. Okay, diretso na po tayo. Yung sa harapan, sir, okay lang po ba kayo dyan? Okay lang siguro, sir. Okay si ma'am. Sa gitna po, habot si ma'am. Okay din. Sa second to the last? Okay, sa lakas na likod po. Okay ma'am. Sa pinakalikod, hindi na okay. Malapit na. Malapit na ako. Pero okay, magdala sa siguro direkto tayo ay makalabas. Okay, diretso na po tayo. masyadong maganda. Medyo mabigat sila.
Kami ka, kuya.
Kumain sila ng konting breakfast.
Yung banda, kuya. Yung nananggit na.
Kuya, may tito, kuya.
Okay, now let's go back to Mr. Crossing the narrow corridors. This is the one way if you go in and cargo. We're crossing the iceberg. Iceberg. Don't worry, kasi tayo dyan. Kasing bahala. Okay, congratulations. We made it.
Kuya?
Gusto ko lang.
Sige tayo, please. Tatawag.
Parang tumatay ko.
Okay, look in front of Mr. Man. Finally, visit the entrance. Visit the lights. Visit the end of the tunnel. Where it's considered a group of survival.
Yes.
Waliwala, it means may bukas pa. May pag-asa pa tayo makalabas. Bago tayo lumabas, yung lahat, makacheck lang po yung mga sarili at katabi, baka iba na itsura niya. Siguraduhin kompleto mo lang bawas, walang kulang. Kasi yung boatman nyo, basta ang aking lahat. Okay, diretso na po tayo. Lalabas na po tayo.
Iwan doon sa dark green. Pabalik.
Okay, wake up, the tour is over. The night is over, the journey is end. Wake up everyone, rise and shine. Lalabas na po tayo.
Ay, umaga na rin sa wakas. Maambon na ito sa labas.
Okay, everybody, good morning.
Good morning.
And thank you so much for visiting Underground River. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Go inside the cave and hope you come again. Did you enjoy? Do
Yeah.
you like it inside the cave?
Yes.
Are you happy? I'm not happy. You're happy. Okay, I look forward to see you again, sir, ma'am. God bless po. Sana makabalik ulit kayo. Huwag lang po bukas. Okay, congratulations, everyone. We made it.